So guys, this is the Realme 3 Pro running on Realme UI 1.0, and as you can see, the launcher is pretty much changed quite a lot. It looks a lot more like a stock or pixel launcher. Over here, the notification panel resembles the One UI in quite a lot of ways, and it's more cleaner than what it was before. And over here as well, the settings interface is much cleaner. As you can see, here's the dark mode, and this dark mode is purely black, as you can see over here, which is extremely useful, because on AMOLED displays, this can save a lot of battery. Over here you can change the font, which is again once again a nice addition that Realme have done. And overall, the settings interface, it is quite a lot like the ColorOS 7 as well. There is not a lot of change between ColorOS 7 and Realme UI. Here the About Phone section resembles the Oxygen OS quite a lot, but I don't have any problem with that, because Oxygen OS is quite a lot great within itself. Then over here, if we go into home screen and lock magazine, you can see the icon style, and the customizability of these icons can be accessed from over here. As you can see this, you can just adjust these sliders and change the way your icons look. And I'm happy with that, because a lot of times I complained regarding the icons. I did not like the icons on ColorOS, but that certainly changes because I get a lot of control over this now. And that is like really great in my honest opinion. Over here you can see the Realme UI recents, and yeah, they are a lot more cleaner now. They are kind of just the one like ColorOS 6, just a little bit of revamp here and there. And over here in additional settings, we get to see the usual options that we see in ColorOS 6. And over here in the launcher again, if we, for example, search for Game Center or Game Space, the Game Center or Game Space has a revamp, as you can see from the animations and the overall user interface over here. Now, there is quite a bit of revamp going on over here as well. And these are the options that were already available, but the interface has changed quite a bit. Also to mention that there is also internal recording available now on this phone, and also front camera recording simultaneously. I'll cover that aspect in a dedicated video, because I want to test that thoroughly, like how exactly it works, how accurate it is, what is the latency and stuff. So I'll cover the internal recording later on, but yeah, that feature is here in Realme UI, and that is extremely useful if you're a gamer, YouTuber or a streamer. And they have added a bunch of wallpapers, and these live wallpapers, they are absolutely mind-blowing. I honestly like these. They are quite a lot minimal, and the implementation is superb, just like the ones you see on Google or Pixel devices. Obviously Pixel devices are a lot more subtle, but I'm okay with this. Because yeah, they absolutely look dope. And over here the gradient walls as well, you get to see. So yeah, in terms of live wallpapers, Realme did some job, and I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah guys, that's it. That was it for this impressions video. Video on the features, or a features overview video on Realme UI is coming really soon. So stay tuned for that. That's it. See you guys in the next one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.